All right, so pretty much what I'm gonna stand up by doing is with this brush, I'm gonna brush it off, and with the other hand, I'm gonna have a vacuum, and pretty much I'm gonna brush this off and vacuum at the same time all over the engine. Just that's the first thing you're gonna do, just to take off all the dust, and then you're gonna start with the wiping. So pretty much what I have here is just water. You're gonna spray. I'm probably just gonna spray the rag, then do that. That way it doesn't get super wet. But what you're gonna pretty much do is just clean it and just go in with your hand into the deep spots inside here and clean it with your hand. So I'll do that for a couple minutes. After that, I'm gonna grab a vacuum and vacuum all this on top too. All right, now that I cleaned all of this, I dusted it off and took some off with the vacuum. I wiped it with some wet water spray, cleaned most of it. I still got a little bit more to do, but it was a little. I could tell way better that it's better than it was in the beginning. But now I'm gonna do the top with the vacuum. I'm gonna just swipe it and try to take as much dust off as I can. I'm out of breath, but I'm gonna try to do that right now. All right, so I'm done cleaning it. It came out really good. It was super dusty and around mostly the edges, but I mean with like the brush and the vacuum and the rag, it did so much that I didn't really have to do the deep cleaning where I need the foam cannon and the water hose, which is kind of impressive because even without that, it came out way better. It looks more presentable, and once we're selling the Camaro, it'll look better to the buyer, and it's gonna be easier. So yeah, that shit was good.